Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the products from Jouer's Jet Set collection. I'm super excited to share what I got. The first thing is the Jouer highlighter in the limited edition Celestial shade. The second is one of the Sunswept bronzer duos. I also got the Jouer Kitten eyeliner. And last but not least, I got two of the Jouer lip kits. The first one is in Le Rose and the second is in Le Nude. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jenafroese. Thanks so much for tuning in and checking out this video today. I do 3 beauty videos a week that are all about high-end and luxury beauty products. So if you're just as into high-end makeup as I am, I'm sure we'd be great friends. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below as well as the little bell next to it so you never miss a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to these product reviews. Let's start with the outer packaging of the Jouer highlighter. This is the same reflective silver packaging as in the other highlighters that they have released. When you open it up, you will see a generous size mirror and then you will see the pan of the product itself. Next, we have the packaging for the bronzer duos. This is gorgeous. It's a pale pink with some gold accents, and when you open it up, you do see a big mirror as well, and then you see the 2 bronzer shades inside. The Kitten eyeliner is super cute. I love the spots on the packaging, very adorable. And lastly, we have the lip kits from Jouer. These packages are a little bit interesting to me. They definitely resemble the Gucci packaging that I have seen in the past. They also resemble the Louis Vuitton, but not as much. To me, the packaging seems a bit underwhelming now that I know how similar it is to those high-end brands. Definitely still cute though. When you open it up, you do see the lip cream, the lip topper, and the lip liner. All of these products are available now at Beautylish as well as Jouer's website. The Celestial highlight is 24 American dollars. The bronzer duo is 30 American dollars. The Kitten eyeliner is 18 American dollars. And lastly, these lip kits are 25 American dollars each. The highlight in this Jet Set collection is gorgeous. It's called Celestial and it is a beautiful duochrome lilac pink shade. It is a limited edition highlighter, so just keep that in mind. As I was applying it to the skin, it definitely applied beautifully. It blends out very, very well. It's a very wearable highlight considering that it's a duochrome, which I absolutely love. Definitely long wearing as well. I highly recommend it. This formula is identical to their best-selling permanent highlighter, so if you have checked those out before, you won't be disappointed in this one. This one wears and performs very similarly to my citrine shade. The bronzer duos are new, but they are permanent to the Jouer collection, which is awesome. You do get 2 shades of bronzer in each one. There's one for light medium and there's one for medium deep. The one that I picked up is light medium and the first shade in it is called Sunlight. It is a soft tan color, very beautiful. The second shade is called Suntan and it is definitely a neutral tan color. You can use these separately or you can layer them together. They are beautiful, natural looking bronzers. They blend very well as well, which I really like. These bronzers definitely perform just as well as their blush duos. So if you've ever checked out their blush duos and how creamy and beautiful that formula is, this is just like it, but in bronzer form. The Kitten eyeliner is something that really surprised me. I was super, super happy to have checked this out. This is a matte black color. It is long wearing. It has a very nice fine tip for very easy application, which I love. I need to test this one out a little bit more, but my first impressions are incredibly positive. This one is giving my Stila, my holy grail, love of my life eyeliner a run for its money. So I'm very excited to continue to test this one out and see if it performs just as well as my Stila. I love how this eyeliner doesn't bleed, it doesn't smudge either, it just stays in place, and that's what I absolutely love. Now let's chat about the lip kits. I believe that these lip kits are permanent. I haven't read anywhere that they are limited edition. There are 4 lip kits in this collection, but I got 2 of them. The first one is Le Rose and the second one is Le Nude. When you open up the lip kit, you will see the lip cream, which is actually 1/3 of the size of the original one. So in the lip cream and the lip kit, you are getting 2 grams of product versus the original full size that Jouer also carries. Those are 6 grams of product. The same thing goes for the lip toppers as well. They are also 1/3 of their original size, but in each of these lip kits, you do get 1 full-size lip liner. In the Le Nude lip kit, you will see a lip cream that is called Au Naturel. The lip topper is called Stardust, and the lip liner is called Nude. In the Le Rose lip kit, the lip cream is called Peony, the lip topper is called Rose Fizz, and the lip liner is called Petal. All of the contents of these lip kits have the same formulas as the original sizes of these products, so the lip creams function just as well as their full-size lip creams, the lip toppers function just as well as the full-size lip topper, and so on. The lip liners are super creamy, the lip creams are very, very easy to apply as well, and they dry down beautifully, and the lip toppers as well are super stunning. I do think that the lip toppers have a little bit more of a glitter to them. It is not super chunky or anything, but you will see the glitter on your lips when you apply them. All of these products, whether worn together or separately, are very comfortable on the lips. You will feel them, but they're not super heavy or anything. They're not tacky. I actually ate my whole dinner and the lip products pretty well stayed in place. I would say the inner part of my mouth was worn off, but other than that, it was pretty good considering that none of these are actually lip stains. If these guys catch your eye, I don't think you will regret purchasing them. I've been definitely loving them so far. Anyways, guys, that is it for my thoughts on the Jouer Jet Set collection. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And until my next video, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!